All right, fellas, we've all been there. We wake up, our beard has a mind of its own. You got the flyaways, you got the creases around your chin. But today we're gonna do things a little different. I'm going to walk you through a full grooming routine using the Odenson lineup. First up, we have the Odenson beard wash. What we're going to do is I'm going to do a couple pumps of this and I'm going to lather it through my beard, show you what it's all about. And before I do that, I just want to say that this helps kind of strip away the buildup that you might have in your beard from balms or waxes without drying out your face. So let's go. All right, so we have some lathering going on. Remember, when you are washing your beard, to use the pads of your fingers and not the nails. So, I mean, pretty much you want to be gentle so you don't place unnecessary stress on your beard hairs. Time for a rinse. All right, next up, now that we have dried out our beard, we want to apply beard oil. Now, with beard oil, there's a common misconception that it's for your beard hair only, but its actual primary purpose is to hydrate the skin underneath your beard. So we're gonna go ahead, we are gonna use this beard oil. Boom. Warm it up in your hands. And again, just like the shampoo, you want to make sure that you're using the pads of your fingers as opposed to the nails, being gentle because we want to save our precious beard hairs. Next up, the straightener. Now, I don't use this every single day. This is for those times, me personally, this is for those times when I'm going out and I'm wanting to be a little more put together, if you will, suited and booted, maybe date night or maybe for a wedding. This right here is going to make it to where I ordinarily have I style it to where it looks natural, but this right here can actually straighten out your beard. And not only that, if you have dents underneath your chin from sleeping on your face, you can actually use this to actually pull out those dents, because this is a little more, it's more helpful than your typical brush because of the heating element within this, if that makes sense. So yeah, so got this on, it's actually warming up right now. There's a little gauge, I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but it tells where the temperature is at. So it's quite warm. So what I'm going to do is, for me, I want to get out that dent that's on my chin, and I'm not going to completely straighten my beard because, again, I like my beard looking natural. This I do like to do for training your mustache to stay to the sides. I'm not sure if you can see the steam coming up. And then I just like to go along the bottom. So now this is looking more like a proper beard as opposed to you're just not shaving because you're lazy kind of a thing. There we go. And I think that's all that I pretty much want to do with this. So nice and subtle, though you can turn the heat all the way up and get it to where it's like super straight. But with me, again, that's not my kind of thing. But yeah, this is the Beard Forger. Next up from Odenson, we have the Beard Shaper. Now this stuff is kind of cool. Watch, look at this. It's kind of like, it almost looks like a lotion. But with this, there's actually shea butter and beeswax. So once you have your beard styled the way that you want, this is essentially like a paste for your hair, but it's for your beard, and it kind of keeps everything together and holds it in place, especially with the beeswax that's in here. So again, this is the Odenson Beard Shaper. All right, next up we have the Odenson Stone Shaver. Now this thing's really cool. Has a little flashlight on the end. I've never seen that with a shaver. It has a little meter right here that shows how much power you have left. This is cordless. It's also waterproof, and it does really well. So there's attachments for, you can cut your hair in your head, you can do your cheek lines, you can do your underbeard, line yourself up, you can do your chest, down below, arms, legs, and whatnot. I actually chose to do my chest to test it out, and it actually worked really good. And I hope you can tell that it did pretty good, especially for the sake of my chest hairs that are now on the ground. But yeah, so this is the Odenson Stone Shaver. Pretty cool. And it's actually super lightweight and pretty small, so it's easy to travel with as well. All right, next up, this one Odenson has for those people that are trying to get their beard to grow to its fullest potential and they're looking for a little help. So this right here is the Beard Growth Kit. Inside this kit we have, let me open this up. It actually has a really cool presentation. So you flip it up right here and you have your roller, you have your Beard Growth Serum, and then you have your Beard Roller Cleanser. Now, for those of you that don't know what a beard roller is or looks like, this is what it looks like. And there's little needles on the end. I'm not sure if you can tell or not. So what the purpose of this is, you roll this on your face with the hopes of increasing circulation to the areas that are more thin than others in hopes of helping kind of generate growth in those spots. So that's I guess that's the foundation for using these rollers. Another cool thing about this kit is it actually has step-by-step instructions. So they said that consistency matters. So keep that in mind. Earlier we talked about the heated beard brush straightener that goes by the name of Beard Forger. Now there's something else that Odenson has, and that is the beard straightener. Difference between these two, this one is corded. So you ask yourself, well, why do I need a corded beard brush straightener if I already have the cordless? Well, let's say, great question. Let's just say you're traveling, your luggage gets lost, you don't have your beard forger with you, you're at home, you want to straighten your beard, you just grab your corded beard brush straightener. The other thing is, let's say for whatever reason, you forgot to charge your beard forger after the last time that you used it. It's an emergency, you need to get out of the house, you don't have time to charge. You grab your corded beard straightener, plug it into the wall, you're good to go. It's dependable, it has the power, you don't have to worry about the whole battery going out on you. Anywho, so there's the corded option, and then there's also the cordless option. Thank you for coming along with me on this Odenson journey. I'll have links in the description box below. Until the next one, peace! We out.